Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to be staining our fence, so I'm going to have to wash it with this resin deck and timber wash before I get started. The process is pretty time consuming because you have to basically spray this on, and then you need to scrub it off, and then you need to use your pressure washer to get it all off in preparation to stain your fence. Now, the resin range make it really easy for you to get the job done. I went into their store and basically said to them, hey, I've got this old wooden fence, we need to stain it. Is it as easy as just pressure washing it? And they basically said to me, no, you're going to have to use this, use a hard bristle brush, and we got everything in store and we're good to go. Before we crack into this video, hit subscribe. That basically means that you will have access to all our videos when we upload them, and you'll keep up to date with all the videos that we do with DIY tips and tricks for home and lifestyle. Okay, so the fences are all water blasted and looking like crap. And now it's time to put on some stain. So we've got this resin waterborne oil stain, and we picked up this Azito spray gun. So we'll see how it goes. Right, so I have sprayed about half of this fence, and I can confidently say that these things save a lot of time and it's so much easier for this job than using a brush or a roller. So what I'll do here is I'll just show you guys an easy technique that you should always follow when painting a fence. Basically what you need to do is you hold the gun in front of you and you have to move it with the gun like this. You can't go like this, otherwise right here where it meets closest to the wall is going to be much thicker coat. So if you move, even like this will be fine, but make sure that you aren't taking it away from the wall like this. I'll show you. See there how I moved with it, and it keeps it nice and even, so that coat, when I come to do the second coat, you won't have a thick black line.